What if your AI agents could talk to each other, share findings, catch each other's mistakes, and escalate problems they can't handle alone? That's not a research paper. That's what I'm actually building right now. This week, all 4 of my free tier AI bots went live on a single Discord server. And the parallel execution model started showing real, measurable benefits. Today I'm breaking down exactly how it works, what broke, and what the early numbers actually mean. Here's a pattern every AI builder hits. You build one agent. It works great in isolation. And then you try to scale it. And suddenly it's dropping context, missing edge cases, and you're babysitting it manually. The real problem isn't the model. It's the architecture. A single agent has one perspective, one thread, one failure point. And when you're also constrained by free tier rate limits, that ceiling gets very low. Very fast I needed a different approach. And that meant building a team, not just a bot. The solution is role specialization. I have 4 bots. Each one has a distinct job. Dev handles technical execution. Draft handles content and communication. Scout handles research and monitoring. Ops handles coordination and escalation. Each bot has its own persistent memory and what I call a soul config. Basically a personality and priority file that keeps it on mission. They all live in the same Discord server and can read each other's output channels. When one bot hits something above its pay grade, it escalates. No single point of failure. That's the model. Here's where it gets interesting. When Scout picks up a trending topic, say, a new GitHub repo blowing up, it posts a structured finding to a shared channel. Draft picks that up and starts roughing out a content angle. Dev cross-checks if there's something worth building or testing. Ops logs the whole thread and flags if anything needs human review. This is asynchronous and parallel, which means while I'm sleeping or dealing with real life, the team is still processing. The biggest win this week? Watching them surface connections between findings that I would have missed manually. My paper trading bot hit 13 out of 18 strategies profitable on day 2. With a roughly $230 gain on paper. That sounds great, but I'm being honest with myself. 2 days is not a sample size. That's a hypothesis, not a result. The multi-strategy approach is worth continuing, but I need at least a few weeks of data before I trust it. What I do trust is the agent team infrastructure itself. All 4 bots are live. Persistent memory is working, and the escalation model is functioning. That foundation is real. The trading numbers are just early signal. The biggest lesson from this week: don't wait for everything to be perfect before you start. I'm still waiting on API tokens for the paid tier vision bots. That's blocking some advanced orchestration. But the free tier bots are doing real work right now while I wait. Build what you can with what you have. The sequence matters. Get the agent team running first, because it becomes the foundation for everything else. If you're building AI agents, drop your biggest architecture challenge in the comments. I read everything. Subscribe for weekly builder updates. No fluff, just real systems.